Peace of mind and body 25. I had a thought which I wanted to share. Even though society, social media, fashion and culture urge people to seek peace of mind in fulfilling their desires, it is obvious when one reflects on Islamic teachings and the mental health and state of those who try to obtain peace of mind through fulfilling their desires, that this common belief is completely wrong. Those who fulfill their desires are often the furthest from peace of mind, as they are often hounded by mental issues such as stress, anxiety, depression, and suicidal tendencies, and are often drowned in addiction to drugs and alcohol. One must understand that obtaining peace of mind and fulfilling all of one's desires can never mix, such as fire and ice can never mix. The more one seeks one of these two, the further they will go from the other, just like the one who journeys towards the east will travel further from the west. Therefore, one must pick and strive for one or the other. Obtaining both in all circumstances is simply not possible, as fulfilling one's desires takes them away from peace of mind and towards all sorts of mental and health problems. The wise option is to seek peace of mind and give up pursuing all of one's desires. As Allah, the Exalted, created and controls the human spiritual heart, the abode of peace, they must understand that they will only obtain it through His obedience. This involves using the blessings He has granted one in ways pleasing to Him. This is explained in the Holy Quran and in the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. The more one sincerely obeys Allah, the Exalted, by using their blessings correctly, the more peace of mind they will obtain. Peace of mind, which is more valuable and satisfying than fulfilling any worldly desire one might have. Meaning, through peace of mind, one is more than compensated for giving up their worldly desires in both this world and the next. Chapter 13 Ar-Ra'd, verse 28.
Unquestionably, by the remembrance of Allah do hearts find peace.
And chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
On the other hand, the one who uses the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to themselves has only given up peace of mind, and therefore they will face a miserable life in both worlds, even if they fulfill all their worldly desires and obtain everything the world has to offer. Chapter 20 Taha, verse 124.
And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed, i.e. difficult life, and we will gather, i.e. raise him on the day of resurrection blind.
To conclude, one must understand that obtaining peace of mind and fulfilling all of one's worldly desires cannot be joined together in this world. One must choose one over the other, and it does not take a scholar to decide which one should be chosen.